Hello students, I hope you will be fine and learning grammar. In the previous module, you have learned the definition of noun. Today, I will tell you about the types of noun. There are 4 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun and material noun. In some of the books, you can find another type which is abstract noun, but today we will discuss about only 4: proper, common, collective and material. So the first is proper noun. The names of particular people, place or things are called proper nouns. For example, Rajesh, Narmada, the Times of India, Milan, etc. Rajesh is the name of a boy. Narmada is the name of a river. The Times of India is the name of a newspaper and Milan is also the name of a boy. So let's solve exercises related to proper noun. The question is match the columns. Here 2 columns are given. You have to match them and get the correct answer. So here are the sentences. The day of week before Saturday. What is it? It is Friday. The day of week before Saturday is Friday. The 7th month of the year is July. It is located in the city of Agra. What is it? It's Taj Mahal. The last month of the year is December. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Do you know which is the highest mountain peak in the world? It is Everest. Let's move to the next noun. The common noun is the name given in common to person or thing of the same kind or class. For example, boy, city, child, animals, etc. Students, you don't need to be confused in proper and common noun. There are so many boys in the world. So the word boy is common name given to the boys. But if we name a boy John, it will be his particular name. So it will be proper. The word boy is common noun. But if we name a boy John, it will be proper noun. So let's move to the exercise related to common noun. Fill in the blanks. Here are the sentences and the blanks. You have to fill by selecting the correct option. The first is Asmita crossed the little lake in a dash. The answer is Asmita crossed the little lake in a boat. The second is Mihir went to the dash to buy some books. And the answer is Mihir went to the shop to buy some books. A dash is a wild animal. Deer or cat. Deer is a wild animal while the cat is a domestic animal. The book was under a sheet of brown dash, paper or powder. The answer is the book was under a sheet of brown paper. Fifth is there is a dash of cold water in the fridge. And the answer is there is a bottle of cold water in the fridge. The next noun is collective noun. A collective noun is a word used for a group of person, place or thing. For example, team, pride or fleet. Do you know what is team? A group of players is a team. What is pride? A group of lions is pride. And what is fleet? A group of ships is fleet. So, let's move to exercise to understand collective noun properly. Complete the sentences using the names of the groups. The first sentence is, this shop sells pencils, crayons and erasers. It is a dash shop. All these things are stationery. So, it will be a stationery shop and the answer will be, this shop sells pencils, crayons and erasers. It is a stationery shop. The second is, the room has no dash except a chair and a table. The answer will be, the room has no furniture except a chair and a table. Lions, tigers and snakes are some dash that live in the forest. And the answer is, lions, tigers and snakes are some animals that live in forest. Rice, maize, wheat, corn and millet are dash grown in India. All these things are cereals. So the answer will be rice, maize, wheat, corn and millet are cereals grown in India. The fifth is, this is my dash box. I keep my rings, necklaces and bangles in it. Do you know all of these things are jewelry? So the answer will be, this is my jewelry box. I keep my rings, necklaces and bangles in it. The heart, liver, lungs and kidneys are some dash in our body. And the answer will be, the heart, liver, lungs and kidneys are some organs in our body. Now the answers are in front of you. The last noun is material noun. Material nouns are the names of substances or materials from which things are made. For example, steel, cotton, cloth, clay, etc. You know why do we use steel? The steel is used to make pots that we use at our home. Cotton is used in making our clothes. So now let's move to our exercise, which is match the things with the materials they are made of. Here are two columns, you have to match them and get the answer. The first is table. With what is the table made of? The table is made of wood. Mirror is made of glass. Shawl is made of wool. Eraser, yes, it is made of rubber. And the cake, it is made of flour. Now it's complete. Now it's practice time. Be ready with your pen and your grammar book to note down the questions. The first is, cross out the nouns that do not belong to the group. The second is, in the word search, find the names of the persons who studies stars and plants, stitches clothes, is in charge of a ship, sells medicine, flies an aeroplane, is in charge of a library, writes books, sells flowers, mends water pipes, makes things from clay. The next is, write common nouns on the correct disk. Fourth is, color the material nouns. In the fifth, you have to answer some questions. And in the sixth and the last, you have to write two proper nouns for each common noun. Now I hope you may have learned noun and its types properly. So keep on learning.